guys, today you will be thinking why is this keep here. So guys, this is kept here for we are gonna doing some modifications on a Toyota Helix. So guys, before starting the video, please like and subscribe, and also comment and share. So guys, if have you liked, subscribe, comment and share, let's start the video. Our first modification is we will write here Toyota Helix batching. This is a sticker. We'll write Toyota Helix here, then cut it, then stick it. Okay? Let me get the all materials for that. Guys, don't quit the video. I'm just coming. We got the alcohol. And this, okay, all right, these are all materials. First, you can take any size Fevicol and a scissor. Wait, there's another material. You can take any sketch pen or any marker for that. Guys, I will use it with the red color sketch pen. Let me get it. Here I got the all color one which I purchased from Mr. Dye. So guys, now let's start the video. Let's start the first modification. I will gonna choose red. Let me write Toyota Helix. T. Let's write T, and we write T, then O, Y, and again O, T, and A. First spelling is completed, Toyota, then Helix. No, in Toyota will be nice. So guys, we are gonna keep it first at the bonnet. Then we will also make the back side one. Let's cut it. All right. Wait, let me make a new one. It's not working properly. Toyota. Wait, guys, you can. It's your decision. You can also write Helix here. You can also write Toyota. I'm gonna write Helix. If you want to know its spelling is Hilux. So guys, I have written Helix here. Now let's cut it. All right, and let's cut it. Oh, I'm very lucky. I just cut it with my hand. Imagine. Okay. Guys, first let me tell you which modifications are we gonna do. We are gonna put the Toyota's logo at the both sides, also at the back, at the front. Here we are gonna write Toyota Helix, and also here, there at the back we will also write Toyota Helix. After that, we will write the batching of the helix at the back side. and this modifications, not others. Okay, not cutting. Okay, finally cut it. Now let's stick the Fevicol and put it. Fevicol. Yes, today's video will be little big, right? Today's video will be little big. Alright, now our first modification has been completed. Our second modification which we are gonna do is the back side. At the back side, you can use a pencil. Wait guys, let me get a pencil. I got the pencil. Now let's color in it. Okay. Now some red color. Where's the red color? Here's the red color. Toyota Helix. Now let's stick it. And so guys, I stick this. Look, Toyota Helix. Isn't it looking cool? Now next one which we are gonna doing, we will write the Toyota Helix batching at the back side. You can take a eraser's cover by taking it, then cut a little bit. Let me show you how much. This much. Then write Helix on this. Guys, write like this and let's stick the Fevicol on it and we put it. Now our next modification, we are gonna put the Toyota's official latest logo, not the old one, the latest one. Okay. Alright. And cut this much. Now measure the front one logo. Measure this much. And also the back side. Then make the Toyota's logo. I'm gonna first measure the back one. Okay, this much. Okay, and we need a little more sharp pencil. Guys, don't put the video. Where could be the sharpener? Oh, just wait, guys. Let me sharpen it. I got the sharpener, now let's sharpen it. It was little low sharpened. Okay, now it's sharp. Now let's make the Toyota's logo. Okay, very carefully because it's very small, very carefully. Guys, only an artist can draw this much small and realistic Toyota logo. Now let's cut it. It could be too much small. Please, would it be not too much small at the normal size? Not that much small, not too much that much big. Please. If it's too much small, I will get very angry. Where is the logo gone? Run away. We need to make a new one because the which I was making, that's gone. I don't know now where is it. Let's make a new one. Let's make it little bigger. Okay. Let me measure it without a scale. How much big is this? This much. How much is its height? It's this much. Now we can make the Toyota's logo properly without any mistake. Wait. All right. Okay. Only an artist can draw this much small Toyota logo. Can you see this? Now let's cut it. Alright, let's cut little bit just. Very small. I'm scared that my fingers doesn't get good. Okay. Now let's stick the Fevicol. It is not getting upside down. Oh, it gets upside down. Oh no, it's too much small. Oh no, guys, it was too much small. Let me make it little bigger. Now let's make this one. Now we make the Toyota logo and let's cut it. And we made it. Where did it go? Where did it go? Oh no, I think we lost it. We are wasting our time. I don't know. No, not this one. Guys, I don't know why can I make it. Okay, very tired, but I'm still making video. Please like and subscribe. I'm tired, but I'm still making video. You can see my voice like I'm very tired, but you are not like and subscribing. Okay. Oh my god. Very tired. But you are still not like and subscribing. I'm tired, but I'm still working just for you to get like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Oh my god. Okay, please don't go now. I'm making the 5th time. Let's see, is it fitting on the back side logo or the front side logo? It's fitting at the back side. Let's stick it at the back side. Why is the Fevicol coming out? Ouch. Oh no, too much Fevicol. Wait, let me take some of my hand. Then put it here to that. Now and let's take out a little bit. Okay. Guys, I'm working from 1 hour. Please, for that, 1 like and subscribe becomes. Please, please like and subscribe me. And guys, the back logo has been sticked finally. After many hours, the back logo has been sticked here. Now the front logo. Which logo? Okay. Alright. Perfect. Okay. And all right. Now let's take the logo. Not looking like a Toyota logo. Oh, it's looking like. Before I was looking it upside down, that's why. It got in another shape. Let me make a new one. Okay. And very funny face. Look. Looks like I'm too much happy. That much funny face. Ow! Fevicol is not coming out. Fevicol. Oopsie! Oh my god. It becomes like a comedy. Looks like the Fevicol farted. Okay. Yes! Completed. Just wait a second. And the 3 hours of work it's completed. Finally, guys. So guys, why did the helix batching come out? Let me stick it back. I think the Fevicol has finished. Looks like I did it too much of modification. Okay guys, the final result. Guys, let me get the before one, okay? I'm coming guys. Guys, before logo was like this, but not this in black, in silver. Now to this. Both are modified, but this one is more modified because this is more old. Last time the Sentinels didn't make mirrors. Now it's offered with mirrors. Before here was no helix written. After that we write it here are Toyota helix batching and a back logo and a reverse camera ears. It's very small. Can you see that red? Let me show you which red. Can you see this red on the logo? That's the reverse camera. And here we can see the helix batching. And only this off-roading. And this modification. In the next part, we will stick the number plate on it. Okay. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.